Good morning children, Shanti. Let's solve 6 main problems. Using identities, evaluate this same. First one, 71 square. We have to use some identities children like a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square or a plus b into a minus b or x plus a into x plus b. Okay. Here 71 square can be written as 70 plus 1 whole square. Then first identity we can use because it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. 70 square, 7 7 is 49. 0 square is 2 zeros. Means 70 square is 4900 plus 2 into 70 into 1, 140 plus 1 square is 1. Add all these terms children, 5041 we will get. Okay, next one, 99 square. I wrote as 100 minus 1 whole square. You can consider 90 plus 9 whole square also children. Okay, if you put plus first identity, now I took minus, then second identity and we use a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a is 100, b is 1. Okay, 100 square is equal to 10,000 minus 2 into 100 into 1, 200 plus 1 square is 1. Add these two children because positive terms are there. Positive terms addition. 10,000 plus 1, 10,001 minus 200 gives 9,801. Next one, 102 square they gave. We can write as 100 plus 2 whole square. A plus b whole square identity use 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 2 plus 2 square because a square plus 2ab plus b square. 100 square is 10,000 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 into 100 is 400 plus 2 square is 4. Add all these terms children, we will get 10,404. Okay. Next one, 998 whole square. 998 is near to 1000, then 1000 minus 2 whole square I wrote. Okay, 1000 minus 2 gives 998. A minus b whole square identity we can use here. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A is 1000, b is 2. Okay. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Here 1000 square children, 10 lakh we will get minus 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 1000, 4000. Okay. Plus 2 square is 4. 10 lakh plus 4, 10 lakh 4 minus 4000. Okay. We will get 9 lakh 96,004. Next one, 5.2 square. 5 plus 0.2 square we can write. A plus b whole square. A is 5, b is 0.2. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Then 5 square is 25. 2 5s are 10. 10 into 2. Okay, 10 into 2 is 20. But 0.2 it is. Then 1 place after point, that is 0 after point. It became only 2.0. Nothing but 2. Plus 0.2 whole square, 0.04. Add all these terms children. It is a whole number. This is whole part. It is decimal. It is again whole. This is decimal part. We have to arrange it correctly. When we will add, we will get 27.04. Next question children. 297 into 303 they gave. Okay. 297 can be written as 300 minus 3 and 303 can be written as 300 plus 3. Now a minus b into a plus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Third identity we are going to use now. 300 square minus 3 square because a square minus b square. Okay, 300 square is 90,000 minus 3 square is 9. Okay, 90,000 minus 9 gives 89,991. Next question, 78 into 82. This 78 can be written as 80 minus 2. 82 can be written as 80 plus 2. A minus b into a plus b. Okay, means a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, 80 square is equal to 6,400 minus 2 square is 4. Okay, 6,400 minus 4 is equal to 6,396. Okay. 8.9 square is equal to 8 plus 0.9 whole square. We can write as 8 plus 0.9 whole square. A plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to 64 plus 14.4 plus 0.81 we will get. When you add 79.21 it will become. Okay. Next one. 1.05 into 0.95. 1 plus 0.05 into 1 minus 0.05. Okay. A plus b into a minus b form we have written. Then a square minus b square. A is 1. Then 1 square minus b is 0.05. 0.05 whole square we will write. 1 square is 1. 0.05 whole square value is 0.0025. Okay, which is equal to 0.9975. Okay. Next main, using a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, find. This identity only we have to use, children, to solve the next problems. First one, 51 square minus 49 square. Okay. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then 51 square minus 49 square is equal to, in the place of a 51, in the place of b 49, we have to write 51 plus 49 into 51 minus 49. This two addition 100 we will get. These two subtraction 2 we will get. Okay, 100 into 2 is 200. Okay. Next one, 1.02 square minus 0.98 square we get. 1.02 plus 0.98 into 1.02 minus 0.98. Because a plus b into a minus b form we have to write. It is a square minus b square. Okay. Then after adding we will get 2.00, which is nothing but 2 into these two subtraction 0.04 we will get. When you multiply these two terms, 0.08 we will get. Next one, 153 square minus 147 square we get. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then 153 square minus 147 square is equal to 153 plus 147 into 153 minus 147. These two additions are 300. These two subtraction we will get 6. Okay. The addition of 153 and 147 is 300. When you subtract 147 from 153, 6 we will get. 300 into 6 is 1800. Okay. Next one. 12.1 square minus 7.9 square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Then 12.1 square minus 7.9 square is equal to 12.1 plus 7.9 into 12.1 minus 7.9. A plus b into a minus b form. When you add 20.0, we will get here 4.2 we will get after subtraction. These two you multiply, 84.0 we will get, which is nothing but 84. Thank you.